Hello everyone, Marcia here. I am back today with another scrapbook process video for My Creative Scrapbook. Today I'm working with the January main kit, and the main kit contains the Simple Stories Feelin Frosty collection. Perfect for my Minnesota weather right now. This morning I think it was 14 below when I got up, and that's not even considering the wind chill. So really cold weather right now, but I have lots of winter photos that I can use to scrapbook with this collection, so it's going to be super fun. The photo I'm working with today is my niece Bailey, and she got engaged last year and married this fall, but I'm scrapping one of their engagement pictures that they took outside in a Minnesota woods. Beautiful picture, and this is the perfect collection for scrapping it. So I did a little bit of journaling on some Nina White cardstock, and I ran it through my computer printer. This allows me to work around the journaling and include a little piece of white cardstock here to accent my photo. I did a little notebook edge punch at the top of my Nina cardstock here to give it some interest. And I mounted my photo on some blue cardstock so that it would stand out against that white cardstock. I layered a couple different pattern papers here on top of this pink polka dot paper. So I have that floral print on black. It's just gorgeous, and also the pattern paper with the logs with the heart in the middle. So I put those two down first, and I did some machine stitching around the edges of those layers. I like the texture that the machine stitching adds to my layouts, so I wanted to make sure I would get that done before I layered too many other pieces on top. After machine stitching, I put my photo on top of my Nina cardstock and another strip of heart pattern paper behind that to accent it as well, and then I'm ready to start embellishing. I wanted to make sure I got my title on here too right away, because this Simple Stories collection and the kit comes with the foam titles from the collection, so there are tons of options, and I really love how bright and colorful these titles are. So I'm using the Warm and Cozy title. I really love how that pops against that black pattern paper and the white Nina cardstock. I wanted to create this embellishment cluster on the other side of my photo, away from the title. Over here I am layering some firewood and a tree, a snowman, and then to connect the two I have a banner. So I adhered the banner down with some foam tape so that it would pop up a little bit and be at the same height as the foam title. I also used a little bit of foam behind my snowman. Since there's foam behind my photo, then he can be at the same height as my photos. So there are some fun stickers on the sticker sheet for this collection. Let's snuggle and burr and warm hugs. They're really fun. They really add a lot to the layout when you can include some fun phrases like that. So there's a photo tab I put above the photo that I can put the warm hugs on. The sticker sheet also has some snowflakes, and every winter layout, of course, needs some snowflakes on it. So I put them in a triangle by my journaling and over by that embellishment cluster on the left, and then under the title on the right. So I want to put a bow on here as well. I love putting bows on my scrapbook layouts, and I am tying this bow with some hemp cord using my Bow Easy tool. I love this tool for tying bows. It makes it super easy, and the bows look beautiful every time. There's some pattern paper with tags on it, and They're really fun for layering. So I have two tags here that I am cutting apart, and I trim the corners off of them, and I'm going to cut them down so they're not the full tag because I want to tuck them underneath my Nina cardstock. So after doing the hole punch in the hole, I am just going to layer them behind my Nina cardstock. One of the last things I do then on my layouts is usually to rough up the edges of the pattern papers just a little bit. So I do this with my fingers, just bending up the edges a little bit, and in some places I'll actually tear the pattern paper and bend it back. I just love that shabby chic look that it gives to the layouts and makes it more dimensional. Thanks so much for stopping by. Be sure to check out all the My Creative Scrapbook kits. Again, I'm working with the main kit. There's also a creative kit, a limited edition kit, and an album kit. So there's really something for every kind of scrapbooker that you are. Bye-bye now.